Welcome to MrTodayTech. Today we are unboxing a budget gaming headset, which is HP Gaming Headset 120G. So this headphone is cost about 15 to 20 US dollars. So I quickly unbox it and show you the headphone itself. This is our headphone. This headphone looks very cool and it has a beautiful design. This headphone is very good. It has a soft foams, like it's looking like a premium headphone. It has a auto adjustment suspension. When you wear it, it make it comfortable to wear, and it has a RGB light. I show you in a second. I connect it with my laptop. So now you can see its RGB lights. It's very cool. Its RGB lights is very cool, and it make it perfect for this budget. For a headphone. Now it has many features. It has a volume control button which helps you to quickly increase and decrease the volume, and you can see it as a mic, movable mic. It's make its headphone very unique, and you can use this mic for your streaming purpose, for your gaming purpose, and its mic is noise cancellation. So if you are in a crowd or background noise, it's cancel the noise. And its wire is 2 meters long, so it's help you when you are far from your device. And this headphone is for any device. You can use it in laptop, Mac, consoles, and it is also capabilities with mobile. It's only need a OTG for use in a phone. And you can easily buy a OTG from any mobile accessory shop. I recommend this headphone to anyone. This headphone is very premium. If you play games like Pubg, it's help you to locate enemies easily because its voice is very clear. If you see its specifications, it has many features like sensitivity is 103 dB, and speaker diameter is 50 millimeter. This is very big, and you can power it with 5 volt, and it is only 268 grams. And in the box we also have a documentation which help you to use this headphone, how to use and what is about this headphone. I recommend this headphone to anyone who play games, who listen to music. This headphone is good at this budget. You can't find any best headphone in this budget like this. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video and make sure to subscribe for update, unboxing and tech videos. See you in the next video. Goodbye.